bottle. This is your bottle.
Everything.
That is your bottle. There's nothing in it.
Yo, get the fuck on out of here, man. Hurry up. Hurry up, shorty. Get the fuck on out of here. Stop fucking playing with me like that. Stop fucking playing with me like that.
No.
Get the fuck on out of here, shorty.
I know you're gonna spill it on him. You're gonna spill it on him. You're gonna spill it on him.
If you're in person, you come to me directly, you speak to me clearly. You don't yell from across the room.
The first time I
most
heard being a child of
importantly-
God, I heard about you.
See, you always cutting the women off, but you never let us finish. But you want us to let you finish. And I don't like the way you told all these ladies to shut the fuck up earlier. That was rude as fuck.
Oh,
Check
shit.
yourself on that
Oh,
shit.
hey.
Now, back
Hold
to you.
on.
Back
I
to
don't
you.
know who you're. It's not back to
What
anything.
happened?
I don't know who you're
What
talking
happened?
about.
That's so.
You
I don't know
elevated
who
y'all shut the
quickly.
fuck up. And
But-
everybody shut the fuck up too.
Because
Y'all didn't even move. Like,
Hold on.
what?
Okay.
Like, nigga, y'all was scared or
All right,
something. Like,
here's the
nigga, I
thing.
started laughing.
here's the thing.
You don't
Well,
have to talk like that.
People have
You
been.
just say, hey, everybody be quiet.
He was talking to
Hey, be
y'all.
quiet. And then every time you say be quiet, we're all quiet.
How many times have you interjected
nobody
during the
has
show?
had to cuss at nobody and say,
How many
fuck
times have you
shut the
interjected?
fuck up.
How many times have you
Nobody
interjected?
said that to nobody.
Yo, shorty,
I'm
is there a
asking you a
show?
question. I'm asking you a
Is there a
question.
show? Is there a show?
I'm sorry.
Is there a show?
It's our
What
show.
the fuck is you talking
And I'm
about?
a guest.
Okay, so you need
I'm
to
a
act like a
guest.
guest.
I'm a guest, but in Fresh Talk, it's Fresh a show.
Yo, listen. Here's the
Whitney
thing.
live.
We're running the
I
show.
know.
Hey, look, I'm talking to you. We're running the show. We're trying to maintain a certain level of quality.
So you can
Fresh. Can you let me
insult
finish? Can
me
you let
and
me finish?
embarrass me, but I can't insult you and embarrass you back.
No one's insulted or
It's not a
embarrassed
level
you
playing field.
because you've interjected several times. I've counted. It's about
And
8.
You interject
You've
everybody.
interjected 8 times.
Play the shit
I
back. Y'all
interject-
interject
hold
all
on.
the time.
There's a
I get
difference.
it,
It's a
though. It's
show.
your show. I get it.
You hurt the quality of the
I
show
get
when you
that.
interject.
So
I
don't-
interject to move it along. You interject to hurt the quality of the
You
show
think your
and interrupt.
interjections are moving it along?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am moving it along. Or I stop it to move it, or to if someone has a
Okay.
question, whatever. Which I've done for you plenty of times actually.
You stop it
But
to just
I will tell you
be
this.
a redundant ass
You're-
topic
you're-
about
you're a guest on the
cheating
platform.
niggas and-
You're a guest on a platform.
I am.
You've been extremely rude, and you do
Extremely
not
rude since
come.
when the last 10
it's-
minutes
it's a-
since he want to
it's
say I had a
our-
child out of fornication because I want to get home for my baby and
we
to get my
said-
baby up at
and
a
we said
decent
you can
Go
hour.
home and change the
And we said
diaper.
you can
It's
go.
cool.
No,
And
he
we
ain't
said you
my
can go.
diapers. Go ahead, drink you some more calories.
Okay, so here, no. We're gonna address this. Hold on.
Myron,
This is not-
don't forget.
Hold on, do something. You want to do something?
Guys,
Let
Myron finish.
Why are you telling me who
Hold
gotta
on,
go?
hold on.
No one
Hold
said
on, hold on.
you
Wait,
said you
hold on.
had to go.
Wait, hold on.
You're
Yeah,
you're-
wait, no, hold on.
Conversation,
Yo, shorty,
right?
yo,
You heard
shorty.
the whole conversation. So you heard me say, "Hey, you guys, I didn't think it was gonna go this late. I kind of
Yo,
was
shorty.
at a decent hour."
Yo, shorty.
And now,
Come on.
girl, you know what? I would break
My
you. Stop
skin
playing
is
with me.
like,
I would
whoa,
break you.
chill.
Stop
It's not-
playing with me.
Why did it go so bad? Why did it go so
Why?
bad?
Why did it go so
Why did it go
bad?
so quick?
You don't know me.
Yeah.
My
She had
nigga,
too
you
much
don't
to
know
drink.
me.
Let her rock.
Why did it go
No,
south so
that's
quickly?
content. Bitch, what the fuck? I had
Chill,
2 of these
chill.
motherfucking little shots. Like, I'm not even
But you
done
started
yet.
attacking
I'm
Myron
irritated
out of
with
nowhere.
these insecure ass niggas.
Yo, shorty.
Trying to
Well, this is-
degrade
this is-
women.
Yo, shorty,
This
shorty,
is
shorty.
dumbass
Chill.
Yo,
niggas
shorty.
that don't even mention
Chill.
God.
Why you so
Like,
mad?
Yo, shorty, shorty, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you.
Not tell you before
Why you
you
so-
keep it
why
going
you
Yo,
to
so-
shorty,
you.
yo, shorty, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I don't know what smoke you got with anybody else on here.
I don't got no smoke. I love all
Yo,
y'all.
shorty, listen, I love content, so like I don't care what you say about
That's
me.
what
I'm
I'm
with it.
saying. This is
Hold
what
on,
I'm saying. You
but-
gonna get views, my
Hold on,
boy.
hold on. It's not my show. But
Turn up.
anyway,
You gonna get
hold
views,
on.
my
But
boy.
shorty, what I'll tell you is this. Like,
What?
if I was offended by anything you said, yo, I get the
If
brakes
I'm
beat
offended
off
by
you here.
anything, if I
I
was
get a
offended
bitch
by
to beat the brakes
Please
off you
do.
here. Stop playing with me here.
Oh, please do. Please
Stop
do.
playing with me here.
Yo, that's not that's not holy.
Stop playing with
That's
me
not
here.
holy. That's not holy.
Hey, listen, in the name of
Listen.
God, I'm gonna beat
That's
the
not
fuck out of
holy.
you, bitch.
That's not holy
In the
now.
name of God.
Yo, Donda.
This is why
tell me that
they
bitch
request
gonna
people to
beat my
watch the
ass.
show before coming on here. This is why.
Yo,
What are you doing, Whitney? Oh my God.
Yo,
Lynn said that.
you showing scallywag activities right now.
I don't care.
Let the Holy
You showing
Ghost say,
scallywag
bro.
activities.
That's extremely
Let's
ratchet.
let's bring.
Why did he try
It
you?
was just
You
not
heard
that
that
deep.
out of fornication. He
Yo,
thought that was
nigga, you did.
Hold on. Yo, shorty.
Wait, so why the fuck are you mad? Wait, what? You up? Bro, look
Why
at you.
does
You
he
standing up angry, nigga. Sit the fuck down.
Yo, shorty.
Yo, shorty, hold on. Wait, why you mad at her? Why you mad at her? Why you mad at her? She ain't say shit.
What did I do?
Yo, shorty. I was trying to dismiss you because you're a broke ass bitch who ain't get a babysitter who talking about you gotta go home to your kid. Nigga, go home to your little nigga and go handle your business, nigga. Go handle your business, nigga. Go handle your business. Go handle your business, bitch. Sure, go handle your business. Shorty.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Go handle your business. You heard what I said. Go handle your business.
You gotta go.
Go handle your business. Go handle your business. Go handle your business. Go handle your business. Go handle your business, Shorty.
Yo, this ain't Christ-like. This ain't Christ-like. This ain't Christ-like. This ain't Christ-like.
Yo, Shorty, you mad I've been exposed you on that? Go handle your business.
Where? I got a girl though. I got a girl.
I got it like this. They hate on women. They hate on women.
Baby, I'm not gonna keep
You made a whole podcast to sit here and talk to women and degrade
Yo,
women.
eat a Snickers. You not yourself.
Yo, Shorty. Yo, Shorty.
Eat a Snickers, bro.
Eat a Snickers, bro.
Eat a Snickers.
Ass bitch, go home, Shorty.
Eat a Snickers, bro. You not yourself.
Go home.
You such your life. You ain't Christ-like.
This is why you need
You
to
ain't Christ-like.
breathe. You need to breathe during these sessions. You cannot handle the truth.
Yo, get it.
Hey, Shorty, hey, listen. Hey, I ain't gonna play with y'all. I ain't gonna play with y'all. The moment she said that God was inspiring her thought, I couldn't do it. She said that God was inspiring her thought. Yo, Shorty, get your bitch ass on out of here, Shorty. Get the fuck on out of here.
Hi, I'm about to start me a podcast soon. It's going to be called The Lonely
Get the
Show.
fuck on out of here, man.
And come follow me at cody.co_. My birthday is coming up soon. I know, I'll probably check it out for this.
She's still trying to rumble. Y'all know that we ladies like to tussle, right? When you talk about fornication, right? Don't blame me, but I know y'all like to tussle.
Hey, yo. Who did you swing on, bro? You wildin'. She just swung on a man. She's tripping.
Girl, you're embarrassing yourself on live, on YouTube. You're a mother. You cannot act like
It's
this.
the fact that she
That ain't Christ-like, y'all.
Like the Christ-like.
why she had a kid out of wedlock.
You mad, but you telling the truth. You can't be mad that you're telling the truth.
Exactly.
That's
How you gonna get mad?
But she wants to, promote everything else. That's normal shit. Everybody has babies out of wedlock. Why you get mad about that?
You can't be mad.
I just want to keep know that she came at me. No. I don't like when someone takes the smallest bitch.
They always say the smallest one trying to point at her. Yeah, I have all girls at this table.
That's what I'm saying.
I will beat you.
No, that shit is retarded. She looked at you and said, "Oh, you want some wine? I will."
Waste space and energy. Like, it's the fact that she got mad.
Okay, Akademiks is getting real angry right now. This is getting crazy.
She better get the fuck out of here, bro.
If she
Take your pride and leave.
If she's some kind of boy, we gotta
Oh, bitch, I'm stomping on the hook. Yeah,
The baby gotta go to school.
another cup. Just get the fuck out of here.
Hey,
You're embarrassing yourself. You're a mom. Respect it.
World Star, somebody done said World Star. This is World Star for real.
This is going on.
This is some World Star ass shit.
Shameless plug. Follow me at KODI.KO_.
We had guys. This is insane. Like
Natura
y'all gonna talk about this till tomorrow.
End of the world, dropping Friday, nigga.
Y'all follow me. She tried to
She
come at me
almost out, guys. She is almost out the door. She did not want to
End of the world out.
Someone buy me a BBL.
She want to get the final word, even though she's getting kicked the fuck out. I don't get it. I don't understand.
BBL.
Yeah. The baby gotta go to school.
Leave with your pride.
I didn't think she would really turn up like
I
that.
didn't think she was gonna do all this. Someone that's a Christian woman.
Bro, that's not Christ-like.
That was the Holy Spirit.
Yo, chat. Wait, chat. Was that Christ-like? Was that Christ-like? Yo, chat. You know, I tried to tell you, y'all was shitting on me. That wasn't Christ-like, bro.
That was not walking in Christ.
Yo, Donda, bro. Donda.
You
Guys, like the video.
like the video. We going viral.
Really no, but no. Single mothers, we don't do that.
I'm gonna just say,
like,
I wanna see live. Nigga, watch out my way.
real women
Nigga, we in
do
Florida.
not do that.
Yes, sir.
It's like,
I don't know what
Blicky,
shorty was
too
reaching
sweet.
for in her bag with a Sparks or dumbass in hand and got a pack off her. Fuck that. Short bit.
Yeah, she wild. She could have got dealt. She could have got dealt with for real, but
Nigga,
she could have got dealt with for real.
I don't know why y'all
But watch
holding
the
it up.
shows.
Nah, cause
Why
real
she chose
niggas act, bro. You got shit to lose, bro. Chill out, bro.
We supposed to swing on.
Yeah, but still, nigga, I don't want to see you in the situation like that, bro.
I won't do it. I'm not gonna do it.
Let me handle some shit like that, bro.
Once I saw her grab that mic a certain way, I'm like, you better put that shit back down because I swear to God, I'll get up real fast.
I just don't know why she
I'm itching. I'm itching. I'll help somebody right now.
Move to the left.
Okay.
Move to the left. I said move to the left. Yo, nigga, I said move to the left now. All right. Chris, you too stupid. What the fuck you doing? Move to the left.
This is the right.
Everybody get to the fucking left. All right. If bullets come down this way, I ain't getting nobody fucking hurt.
I'm gonna destroy that.